Hey guys, what's up? It's Vladimir here, and iPhone 13 Pro Sierra Blue is now with me. So let's do the unpacking together. As a bonus, I also got some accessories. The new iPhone 13 Pro silicone case with MagSafe in a blue J color and Belkin magnetic carbon mount probe with MagSafe. As you can see, the package size is similar to iPhone 12 and 12 Pro models. It's super thin, as Apple does not include the charging brick in the box anymore, so all you can find is a lightning cable inside. So let's begin and take off the initial wrapper. There is no plastic wrapper anymore. What you get is those two strips on the sides. Go green. Let's peel those off. Oh, right after it's peeled off, you can smell the new iPhone and it's fantastic. Let's take the lid from the box. Oh my god, did you notice that? It doesn't look like Apple mentioned it in the press release, but the box opens much faster now. It's exceptionally fast. Let's try again. Wow, yeah, it's about 30% faster compared to the previous generation. That's incredible. We're taking our first look inside the box, but not much of the surprises here. The iPhone itself, in the new Sierra blue color, and all other essentials that I will throw away after recording this video. I will not actually, I have a box for the boxes. The new Sierra blue color definitely helps to distinguish the iPhone 12s, iPhone 13 from an earlier model. It's also available in silver, graphite and gold colors if you prefer old school. Apple does a great job in delivering what they promised. As it states on their website, the bigger camera upgrade ever. And you can see that cameras are now massively big. So it's almost not possible to place it on the table without damaging the camera lenses. I never leave my phone on the table screen up anyway, and for people like me, the iPhone screen now has a ceramic shell. It's tougher than any other smartphone glass, so you can place it on the table and rotate it. No, I was just kidding, never do that to iPhone. Apart from the previously mentioned features, iPhone 13 Pro also has the new A15 Bionic chip with super fast 5G, Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, and the cinematic mode. Now let's get to the accessories. Also one strip for this box. That's a shame they didn't match the case colors to the iPhone, as I would like to see Sierra blue case, but I believe if you want to keep your phone color visible, there is a transparent case for you. Let's get to the car vent mount. As you can witness, more effort is needed to open the box. small mount such a big box. Thank you for staying with me, and if you did enjoy this video, please like it. You will help me to understand if I should spend my time creating this content. One sticker only. Apple, why only one sticker? Alright, they're saving the space in the box, that makes sense now.